Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a sweet charcuterie board. This is full of sweet treats, perfect for kids or any party. So if you want to see what I came up with, keep watching. Alright, first up is our more healthy board. I got this cute cutting board or serving tray from Walmart, as well as some cheese and crackers. I just used a little star cookie cutter, little miniature one, and I cut out mozzarella, and then I've got some sharp cheddar. You can do whatever you like. I did kind of cater this towards kids. That's why I went with the more mild cheeses. This cup here is a little gingerbread cup with the polka dots that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to fill it with some caramel. Now I was going to get the big tub of caramel, but I thought this was perfect since the board is, kind of small. It fit perfectly in that bowl. So we're going to go ahead and arrange those apples, and then we're going to add some fresh berries. Now I chose strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, but you can put whatever you like on your board. You can always serve it with some toothpicks so that nobody has to touch it necessarily. Now this tray is complete. Let's move on to our candy board. Alright, so I got a bunch of these goodies from Target. I got so many. They had so many good choices I couldn't decide. So I got a variety of chocolates, cakes, cookies, peppermint bark, chocolate covered Oreos, these cute little frosted cookies. Like, the options are endless with these boards, guys. You can add whatever you like, take out what you don't like. I really love these. It's a fun way to just get a variety of things. Perfect for kids, perfect for adults. So yes, we're just going to start assembling our board. I'm just showing you everything I got. How cool is this one? It's a bunch of gummies. My daughter definitely loved that one. Alright, so now we're just going to start assembling the board. That gingerbread and Christmas tree little container or bowl I got from Target. They have it again this year. And then those red ramekins I got from Dollar Tree. So now we're just going to start placing everything. Now you'll see here I move things around a lot. That's the beauty of a charcuterie board. You're going to move stuff around, make sure you have enough room for everything. Like I said, this is for a party. I actually made this for my daughter's sleepover. She had a couple girls over, and they definitely enjoyed this board, and whatever was left, I sent home with them. So I know it seems like a lot, but this is meant for multiple people. That's why I also did a fruit board, and you'll see later I did a s'mores board. Now, you can always make your own cookies. I want to preface that. I did just buy these simply for the convenience. These are some gingerbread snap cookies. I got some chocolate covered Oreos. We got some sprinkle cookies, sugar cookies, frosted cookies. You name it, and it can go on here. The options are endless with these boards. That's why they're so much fun. You can do meat and cheese and fruit. You can do pure candy. You can do a mixture of both. I really love charcuterie boards for the holidays. It just allows you to put a bunch of things on a board and let everybody graze. So yes, I won't bore you too much and explain every single thing I'm doing, but I will try to link what I bought at Target down below. They have great stuff. Holiday themed goodies, as well as Walmart, but Target seemed to be the place to go. So I will let you guys watch and get some inspiration. I will be back in a little bit. Of course, I had to pop in here and add my Christmas tree cakes. I love these. These are so nostalgic for me. I remember eating them as a kid, so I get so excited every year when I see them in the stores. So here I am just adding some candies that I got from that multi-pack from Target. They had a ton of cute Christmassy candies, so I'm just going to fill in the gaps, fill in the containers. Now here is my gingerbread fudge. I actually did make these in a video. It was my last Christmas treats video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below and above. Definitely go check it out. Here I'm just adding some sporadically just to fill in the gap. And now this board is almost complete. We're just going to fill in our little candies, and that is it. Alright, last but definitely not least is our s'mores board. Now I got this cute gingerbread cutting board from Etsy. I don't want to ruin it, so I'm flipping it over and using the other side. And then I've got this mini skillet. We're going to make our mini s'mores dip, if you will. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up that little pan with some Hershey's chocolate. Then we will pop it into the oven at 400 for a couple minutes just to make sure it's melted. And then here I got these snowflake marshmallows from, again, Target. Really cute. I thought that was cuter than the traditional little round marshmallows, a little bit more festive. Then we're going to take these remaining 2 mixing cups with a gingerbread man on them and fill them with goodies to dip into the s'mores dip. So I've got some little mini fudge rounds, I've got some pretzels, I did some vanilla wafers, and then some graham crackers. So we're going to go ahead and set that up while we wait for our chocolate to melt. Now the chocolate is nice and melted. We're going to take that spoon and make sure we spread it all around. After that, we're going to stick on our snowflake marshmallows, just arrange them, kind of try to cover it as best as possible. I ended up splitting one in half just to fill in any gaps. And then we're going to pop that back into the oven for, I don't know, maybe another 2 to 3 minutes on broil. You just want to keep your eye on it, keep checking it because it will burn super fast. And here's what it looks like when it comes out. So yummy. This came out so good. Perfect amount. Don't mind my marshmallow getting stuck on my pot holder. I kind of turned it around just so that the handle, the hot handle wasn't, in the way. It is best definitely to serve warm because it does harden after it sits for a little while. So I'm going to quickly finish adding our cookies and our graham crackers, and then it's ready to go. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, got some ideas, give it a try. I love charcuterie boards for the holidays. They're super versatile, sweet or savory, completely up to you. Don't forget to check out my other Christmas treats videos. They will be linked down below. In addition to my Christmas cookie recipes that I did a few years back, you can definitely make those and add these to the board. They would be so cute. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!